Bloody hell! I require assistance! Nah! No! Oh, this is good. Dancing Demo Man, you are under arrest. What? Fuck you! Oh, this is not good. Free rocket launcher here.
Oh my God.
Demo's a goner. Didn't do nothing. What in Sam Hill? Ah, creep! Well, all right! Come here, sissy! Show yourself! Thought it was close!
You managed to escape, and now you hide away from the police and the rest of civilization in fear of getting caught again. Yep, that's it. That's already the end of the story. Because, you know, you're supposed to do something there. But no, you just sat back and you didn't do anything. You didn't just get the boring ending now, you just got the lazy ending. Why would you want the lazy ending?